Hello YouTube, Chashtex back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix the application was unable to start correctly due to 0xc00142 error on Windows computer. You may see this error on different application on your computer on different Windows operating system. It may be Windows 11, Windows 10 or other Windows operating system. So stay tuned and check each of the solutions. Maybe one of the solutions will solve your problem. So let's start from solution number one. So solution number one on this video will be checking your registry editor value. So in order to do that, go here on the bottom, which is click here the search icon, then type here registry editor. So here the registry editor, then right click on it and select run as administrator. So confirm by selecting yes. So after the registry editor open, before we make any change, just make sure you back up your registry editor. So go here, file, then select here export. So you are going to back up your registry editor, give a name, for example backup, and make sure you selected here export range all. So after you say here backup, then click here save. So I already back up my registry editor and I'm not going to change the registry editor. So after you back up, then close, and anytime if the value that you change it is making some system failure, just go here, click file, then import the backup file, and you'll go back to your previous registry editor. So let's see the first solution. So to see the first solution, you are going to follow this registry editor path. I will put this notepad on the description box of this video. So copy this path and paste it under here registry editor. Paste, remove this computer and press enter. So as soon as you type it, it leads you to this Windows, and another Windows on the right side you will find here load app init DLLS. So you find this one, so right click on it and select here modify, and just go here and make sure the value data is 0. In my case it's 0. In your case, if the value is 1 or 2 or 3, or if it is other than 0, make sure the value is 0, and also make the base hexadecimal. Select here OK. Then after that, close your registry editor. So after you finish this, restart your computer. So after you restart your computer, if the error is still continuing, then the second solution will be running a compatibility troubleshooter. So find the application, maybe it would be Google Chrome or games or any other application. Just for example, let's take if Google Chrome is showing this problem. So I'm going to right click on it and go here to the properties. So after you go to the properties, you will find here compatibility. Select compatibility, and you will find here run compatibility troubleshooter. So run a compatibility troubleshooter to find the specific problem. So wait until it will detect and find the issue. So here it will give you two options, so select one of it. For this example, let's take this one. If the first solution is not giving you, go back here and again perform a compatibility troubleshooter and select the second one. So for this video, let's take the first one, try recommender setting, and here test compatibility setting for the program, and select here test the program, and here it tested and it worked correctly, so it fixed my problem. So select here next, and here the troubleshoot has completed and did the problem solve it. Then answer the question, in my case yes, save the setting for this, and incompatible program is fixed, and I'm going to close it. So again, if the problem is still occurring, again try run compatibility troubleshooter and select the second one and do the same step. Again, on this solution you can also do that run this program in compatibility mode. For example, check this box and select each of this operating system. For example, just select the Windows 8 and select apply, then select OK. If it's not working, again go here, select Windows 7, select apply and select OK. So check by doing this, and also try to check it by using this option, run the program as an administrator. So select this Windows 7 and select here, run this program as an administrator, and select apply and select OK, and check if the program is working correctly or not. If the program still have a failure, then the third solution for this video will be change the current system local. Again, go here to the bottom and select search icon and type control panel. So after you find the control panel, then open it, and you will find here different options. So select region, here the region option. If you cannot find it like this, just go here on the top and select this arrow and select large icons and open the region section. And another region you will find here administrative. So you will find here change system local. So select this change system local, and you will find here different current system local. So select the right one for you. So you will find here different system locals. So select the right one and confirm by selecting that. So I'm not going to change it in my case. So select OK after you change it and close the region, and again close the control panel. So this will be the third solution. If the problem is still continuing, then we are going to fix using a command prompt. So in order to do that, again go here on the top, on the bottom, select the search icon and type here cmd, and here the command prompt, right click on it and select run as administrator, then confirm by selecting yes. So after the command prompt opened, here on the solution number 4 you will find two different cmd commands. So select the first one and right click on it and select here copy, then minimize, then go here on the bottom, right click, edit, then paste it, then press enter. So after you do the first one, then again you should have to paste the second one. So select this one, copy, again go on the top, edit, then paste. So you finished the process of this the command prompt. So after that, type here exit and restart your computer. So after the restart, if the problem is still continuing, then the final solution for this video will be check disk and SFC scan. So in order to do that, again we are going to click here the search icon and type here cmd. Here the command prompt, so right click on it and select run as administrator, then confirm selecting yes, then type here sfc /scan now, then press enter. So here the system scan is started. So wait patiently until the system scan will be completed. So here the system scan completed 100% in Windows Resource Protection, did not find any integrity violations in my case. In your case, it may show you different errors. So after you see this, then copy paste the second command here. This sfc scan now is the first one. So copy paste the second one. So copy this one, which is a check disk. It will help you to solve this problem. And again, edit, then paste, then press enter. So here the check disk process asking you yes or no question. So click from your keyboard Y and press enter. So here this will be checked the next time the system restarted. So as it says, restart your computer. So exit your CMD, then restart your computer. So after the restart, it will check the disk and it will help you to solve the application was unable to start correctly problem. So these are the solution to fix this problem, and I hope this video helped you. So please subscribe and like and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Touch the count.